Located in Istanbul, Turkey's capital, Hagia Sophia holds a special place in the hearts of both Muslims and Christians. Both communities have long desired it to belong to their faith, but fortunately, it still remains in the possession of Muslims. Historically, Hagia Sophia was originally a church. Constructed in 360 AD by Emperor Constantine, it was known as the Great Church because it was the largest church in Istanbul at the time. Due to its immense significance, it became the first target whenever invaders attacked the city. In 404 AD, the original structure was destroyed during riots, and its original design has not survived. Hagia Sophia was rebuilt in 537 AD within 5 years and 10 months, with precious stones and materials brought from different regions to adorn its walls. It has faced destruction and reconstruction multiple times, having been attacked and rebuilt 8 times. After its destruction in 404 AD, it was rebuilt as a church in 415 AD, but misfortune struck again in 532 AD when it was set ablaze. Hagia Sophia's location is prone to earthquakes, which caused significant damage to the structure multiple times. Despite this, it has always been rebuilt due to its religious and historical importance. Initially a Christian cathedral, it later became a mosque after the conquest of Constantinople by the Ottoman Sultan Mehmed II in 1453. Following its conversion into a mosque, Sultan Mehmed II ensured its preservation and enhancement. The Hagia Sophia became one of the grandest mosques of its time, with its beauty enhanced over the years. Large circular medallions displaying the 99 names of Allah and the name of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, were added to its interiors. Its iconic minarets, one of which is 55.6 meters tall, and the 4 surrounding smaller minarets make it globally recognizable. During its Christian period, the interiors featured depictions of Jesus, alayhi salam, and Mary. After its conversion to a mosque, these were covered with white plaster, as Islam does not permit figurative imagery in places of worship. In 1935, after the fall of the Ottoman Empire, Mustafa Kemal Atatürk's government converted Hagia Sophia into a museum and opened it to tourists. This decision turned Hagia Sophia into a cultural heritage site for both Muslims and Christians. Despite its museum status, it remains deeply loved by Muslims, who view it as a sacred trust from their ancestors. Throughout its history, Hagia Sophia has undergone many name changes. Originally called Magna Ecclesia, the Great Church, it later became known as Hagia Sophia in Turkish and Holy Wisdom in English. Muslims in Turkey often refer to it as Hagia Sophia.